Hey Hedgies, how you doing? Welcome back to Myrtle the Camper Van. My name is Jane Sarche and I'm here to bring you another amazing one-pot camping recipe. And today is quite exciting because it's my first official camper van sponsored recipe. Today's recipe has been sponsored by the one and only The Saucy Fish Company. We're using their salmon fillets that come with a little sachet of chili, lime and ginger dressing. The sauce is incredible. It's really zingy and fresh and sweet and sharp. It's beautiful, really nice balance. In case you're wondering, that's what it comes like. That comes in the pack frozen along with the fish. Normally you would oven bake these, and in fact they come with their very own handy dandy oven bags to cook the fish in. However, we don't have an oven here in the Myrtle, so we're actually going to be pan frying it. We're going to break all the rules, but so first things first, get your pan hot. We want it screaming. Now these fillets come frozen, so you will need to defrost them before cooking. And once they're thawed, you just want to blot them out on some kitchen paper just to dry them off, because this way you're going to get that nice crispy skin. When your pan is hot, just pop a tablespoon of butter in there to melt down, and then pop your salmon fillets in skin side down. Give them a little season with salt and pepper. Once the skin is looking nice and crispy, then you can carefully turn them over. Then we're going to turn them onto their side and cook both sides as well. So you get a nice golden crust on all four sides. Next up, we're going to do our very simple asparagus stir fry. So here I've got some asparagus spears that I've trimmed the ends off. I've split in half lengthways and then cut in half as well. So pop them into that little puddle of butter. And I've got some green beans as well. And I love pan frying asparagus and green beans because they still get a crunch, but they get a nice golden colour. It's just wait and see, delicious. And finally, turn the fish over and cook the fourth side. Then when your salmon is ready, pop it and the veggies onto a waiting plate. Now I've reduced that heat, but in this pan is a whole heap of flavour. So I'm going to heat my sauce and mix it in with those beautiful pan juices, just because I can. Give it a good mix round, and then spoon your delicious sauce over your delicious salmon fillets. Turn off the heat. Then all is left to do is sprinkle some spring onions over the top of the fish, along with some sesame seeds. And that, my friends, is one of the quickest, easiest dinners I think I've ever made in Myrtle the Camper Van. If you like the look of this recipe, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a nice comment below, and I'm going to see you next Wednesday for another fun recipe. Until then, thanks for watching, and thanks Saucy Fish!